Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about the vertical garden as a part of indoor garden. Vertical garden. Vertical gardening involves gardening with upright structures so as to utilize the vertical space. It is ideal for gardening in urban city areas and apartments with balconies. Many structures including fences, arbors, trellises, and walls can be used to create vertical gardens. It creates a refreshing green corner which uplifts the overall ambience and the quality of living. Besides its beauty, a vertical garden also reduces stress, enhances indoor air quality, improves mental health, reduces employee sick days, or demonstrates your commitment to sustainability. A vertical garden is a technique used to grow plants on a vertically suspended panels by using hydroponics. These unique structures can either be freestanding or attached to a wall. Vertical gardens have been used since ancient civilizations. Many modern vertical gardens can last for decades and give a pop-up of nature into the modern day business. Vertical garden recognized by many different names as living green walls, leaf walls, and moss, etc. These vertical structures of plant life can be as small as picture frame or as massive as 60 feet wide masterpiece. Vertical garden can be placed in hotel lobbies, major corporation headquarters, or even a small residential backyard. Vertical garden not only look impressive but will also make you feel more comfortable in your environment by tapping into nature's inherent calming powers. Indoor vertical gardens. Indoor vertical gardens not only create a wonderful centerpiece to the interior space, but they help the nature's airflow to the environment. Vertical gardens are also very space efficient and can be fill up any empty space on a wall. Many employees in office environments are exposed to lot of harmful air chemicals like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. Vertical gardens works like a nature clean air system and promote a better breathing atmosphere and a healthier environment overall. The plants also help to reduce noise pollution, which creates a quieter work environment for building occupants. In the backyard, one can also prepare low-cost vertical gardens with the use of plastic bottle or PVC pipes or by using bamboo segments. Such type of vertical gardens requires low budget, low maintenance and less efforts but gives beautiful appearance. Exterior vertical gardens. Many buildings around the country and world have vertical gardens installed on their exterior. Many exterior gardens contains moss, vines and other plants are often used on vertical gardens installed outdoors. External vertical gardens have the advantage of having natural direct sunlight that makes them thrive. Exterior vertical gardens also gives buildings great protection and insulation from temperature influence, UV radiation and heavy rain. In the summer, exterior vertical garden use a process called evaporation which helps cool the air around it. The correct selection of plants play an important role in the design and functioning of vertical living wall gardens. Vertical garden plants. The correct selection of plants plays an important role in the design and functioning of vertical living wall gardens. A variety of vertical garden plants are used on vertical plant wall or garden with plant selection determined by light conditions. Vines are commonly used for traditional vertical plantings. Annual vines. Annual flowering vines that climb without becoming too heavy includes black-eyed Susan vine that is Thunbergia alata, cardinal climber that is Ipomea multifida, cypress vine that is Ipomea camuclete, scarlet runner bean that is Phaseolus coccineus, all grows best in full sun. Perennial vines. Easily grown perennial vines for vertical garden includes American bittersweet that is Celastrus candens, ivy, that is Idera selections, all grow best in full sun. Clematis prefer to have their flowers in sun and their roots in shade. Shady vines. Vines for shade, vertical gardening includes hardy kiwi, that is Actinidia colomicta, chocolate vine, that is Acacia quinata, Dutchman's pipe, that is Aristolochia macrophylla, and climbing hydrangea, that is Hydrangea petiolaris. Edible plants. Edibles that adapt well to vertical planting include fruiting vines such as kiwi, that is Actinidia deliciosa, and vertical garden vegetables such as pole beans, tomatoes, and cucurbits. Succulent vertical gardens. Succulents are popular among the plant enthusiastic because of their space efficient, colorful, with hardy, fleshy exterior and very easy to maintain. Succulents are also fire resistant and are great plant choice for vertical gardens. Selecting succulents makes it very easy to mold and shape any vertical garden to your needs. Watering and other maintenance is needed less for succulents, while they provide a wonderful aesthetic to any space. Beside vines, various ornamental plants are also used for vertical gardening, both for attractive foliage and flowering purpose, like variegated crotons, different ferns, dwarf variety of palms, pothos, variegated dracaenas, chlorophytum, orchids, etc. Steps for creating vertical garden. Vertical garden are an alternative for gardeners who don't have a lot of horizontal space, want to cover an unattractive wall, or just want to something different. First, choose a wall which receives better sunlight. Then build a frame. The basic structure of vertical garden wall is three-layered sandwich made up of frame, plastic sheathing, and fabric. Build the whole setup before hanging it. Attach plastic seating. Attach a sheet of plastic to the frame. The plastic acts as a backing for the fabric layer, plus keeps the water off the wall. Use expanded PVC sheets. Attach the fabric. Attach the layer of fabric to the frame. It is the material in which your plants will live and which will hold the water from it. Set up the irrigation system. To keep plants growing on vertical surface, an irrigation system that can provide a moisture throughout the fabric layer. A standard wall and automatic irrigation drippers attach the frame to the wall using stainless steel hardware to avoid rusting. Add fertilizer injection and attach irrigation system to water source. Choose the plants like succulents or any ornamentals with slow growth and less than 2 feet height in tray containers, otherwise go for creeping vines. Insert plant. To insert plant into the outer layer of fabric. Plant designs. They are made according to your choice. Maintenance of vertical garden. Most vertical gardens have a panel or tray system that is easy to maintain. Panel system can help you to maintain your beautiful vertical gardens on lobby or office wall. A tray-based system uses polypropylene trays and a water-resistant backing board to help the plants stay hydrated. If you don't have expertise in caring for the system, a vertical garden can easily fail without proper maintenance. This means not only watering the plant but the pruning and removing dead leaves. Importance of vertical garden. Offices are generally known for having a lot of people crammed into a relative small space. If you take into account the studies which shows the office workers who have easy access to view, greenery or nature to improve creativity and overall mental health. Plus, green wall help clean the air, improves the air with fresh oxygen produced by the plants. The green wall is a conversation starter and keeps your business top of mind with a wow factor. Thus, vertical gardens are perfect for offices because it fits a lot of plants in a relatively small space and makes the office look better. So this is all about vertical garden.